This is an inverted Jenga pyramid, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build this step by step by looking at that. Feel free to pause the video at any time you want if it's too fast. I'm going to add some, comments. You don't have to stop here. You can just keep building. Theoretically, you can expand indefinitely. So yeah, feel free to try, or what you can do is to do it reversed. Build an actual pyramid on top. That will give you a nice little Jenga diamond. That would be fun too. I once built an inverted pyramid, and on top a pyramid, and on top inverted pyramid. Pyramidception, normal stuff like that. I hope this video helps, and I know some of you are here to just see the disruption, the collapse of it. So yeah, let's do that, and let's use this little boy here, the table tumbler. You must be wondering what a table tumbler is. Well, this is what it is. Fun fact, you can do that. You can activate the table tumbler on my stream over at Twitch. So if you want to know more, follow the link. I probably put it somewhere here. Go check it out. That's the tutorial for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.